any artist would like to grow in their field. So do I. So I just see myself as a good established singer of this nation, India. When it comes to music, it is just a medium of passing your information to the audience. So maybe it is rain or it may be winter or it may be summer. As long as it's the music and the song, it's okay. I just did a regional song. It's in our local language as I'm from Goa. It's called Paus Patta and it means it's raining. If you talk about Goa, yes, it will definitely make a mark in Goa. And yes, there are Goans, and as I said, music has no language, so people will definitely listen to the music and definitely listen to the tune and sing along, because I don't think the words are very difficult for people to say. Like when even we were recording, they were all Bombay people, and even they started singing along. From the camera guy to the recordist to the friends who we met there, everybody was singing. So I think I'm sure everybody is going to like it, and they are going to like me also, because it's my voice in there. So definitely it's going to work for me also. That's how it goes. I always wanted to record a song in my voice, something significant to rains, and that's the reason we did that. My genre is more of like singing romantic songs, um, more soothing songs. I very hardly do upbeat music, or of late also I've not recorded anything of that style. So when I got into the studio, it was a little difficult initially to be up to the beat and sing with that mood and be a little cool and have a little attitude types. But then yes, at the end everything went smooth. After maybe like 2-3 takes, it was fine. The lyricist and the composer is a very, very good friend of mine, Mr. Lloyd Paul, and he's also from Goa. And he's an amazing, amazing composer, and he has done this song very beautifully. Then there is something called Tiyatra, and there is something called Devanagari style or the Hindustani classical style. So you will very rarely find the combination of all these things in one song, especially in Goa, because they are quite restrictive. Every musician or any artist is very restrictive with their own genre. They will not try Devanagari with a Western style or your theatre with Devanagari style. What I tried to do and what Lloyd has tried to do is trying to get two different styles together and make one song. So right now it's more like the reggaeton and the Devanagari style of singing, which has combined together, and this product is being done, which is called Paus Patta. So it's like the very semi-classically sung, but on a very cool beat that has been used. So it's more like an hip hop or upbeat song, so which is very much in today's field. So that's how the song is. See, for me, the rainy season is the all-time favorite season, and even any other song that's playing about rain any other time, even if it's not raining or if it's not the rainy season, you could still feel that goosebumps when it starts raining. Since I have done it in our regional language, the Konkani language, every year there is this Konkani Global Music Awards organized by the Kalangan Samstha Mangalore. So I am targeting that. I want to send this song to them this year, um, and uh, I make some remark there, because it's Konkani and it's done in a very, very different style, a different feel and touch is given to it, which is not done in Konkani till date. So once you listen to the song, you will understand what I'm trying to say, and that's what I'm targeting that. In Pauspatta, the stanza goes like, rim chim paus patta tanana tanana tanana. Sak 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 sakir marta tanana tanana tanana. This is a Devanagari style, but when you add a little Western touch to it, it goes like so this is a little different change, which is like more like a Western style of singing. If you talk about language, then yes, it's very much restricted because most of the regional languages are restricted. Devanagari is nothing but the language. Konkani language is derived from Sanskrit, you know, and Sanskrit is Devanagari script. I think everybody will know that. So when it comes to singing in that style with a Western touch to it, gives a different level and a different standard. So it almost sounds like a Western song, an English song. In Goa, it's more about Western music actually, as there are lots and lots of bands, English bands happening. There is very less scope for the Devanagari style of singing in Goa. But then I think with the fusion that is done in this song, and if such kind of music keeps on happening in future, this will be done on a larger scale in Goa, and we'll hear more of such kind songs. I think nowadays the trend is very different and the audience is quite loud and audience are quite open-minded in terms of accepting any kind of music, irrespective of the language. So I think it's all about the music that we have to give the people. If it's catchy and if they like it, I think they just accept it. They don't really consider the language and stuff like that. Social networking sites and YouTube has given a very good platform for independent artists. So I think even if the independent artist is probably given any chance to feature themselves on television, then it will definitely work. Most difficult part was the video. The second half. पता नहीं क्या भूत आ गया अंदर. I was like so uncomfortable.
That got
But then
that.
yes, later on I was fine, I guess. No? It's okay. Like in the morning it just happened within like 2 takes. So like okay, हो रहा है. And in the evening पता नहीं क्या हो गया. No, it wasn't too exerting, but yes, it was too hot after 11:30 and it was making it difficult to work after that. Yeah, the most challenging part was in the morning that it was too hot. We started the shoot at 5 o'clock in the morning, and by 11:30 it was really till 10:30 it was fine, and then as the sun was rising it was too bad. I got tanned, literally got tanned. It's said in the Bhagavad Gita कि कर्म करते रहो और कर्म की फल की अपेक्षा मत करो. So in the same way I would tell to all the new people, new budding artists, singers, musicians, just keep up, keep doing your work, keep the dedication, keep the hard work going, and just don't wait for the results. When the time is right, it just follows. It's all the best.